Hey everyone, this is my Ultra Chi Spring Me Flowers hair dryer with diffuser, 60 at 2. Thanks everybody for the fill. Copy the list. Go live. 5:47. Paste the list. Roll our dice. We need a 7 or higher. 5:47. And we have a 10. 5:47. 60 items on the list. It's 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. After the 9th time, there's still 60 items on the list. Miss Angela Rice is on the top. Miss Beth Perry is on the bottom. We randomized 9 times. The dice call for a 10. 5:48, last and final time. Good luck, everyone. In spot 49, Miss Tara Roberts is the winner. Congrats, Miss Tara. 60 items on the list. 10 times. The dice call for a 10. And we are done at 5:48. Thanks again, everybody, for the fill.